I run across resumes every day, and I'm going to say 10 to 20 have misspelled words. Make sure that your spacing is correct, margins and in between different lines and words. You might not be able to see it from your naked eye, but as a recruiter and as I speak for a lot of other recruiters that I work with, we can see it immediately. Right now, there's a problem. Over there, yes, that's not quite right, things of that nature. Also, make sure the fonts are the same. Calibri and Calibri Light do not look alike to a recruiter. We can see them immediately, and we're going to put that resume to the do not speak with pile. Also, let somebody else look at your resume. It does not have to be HR professional, but just let somebody look at it, because there, and then wind up a lot on the people's resumes used incorrectly. That will get you taken out of the possible candidate pile also.